channel Java levels. So in the previous video, we have seen how we can write a Java code with a crisp and concise, right? We have written a code where we need to sort employees based on the salary. Prior to Java 8, it was taking 4 lines of code, whereas in Java 8, we have written a single line. So in the advantages section, we have completed this point. So we can write crisp and concise code using Java 8. Now we are going to discuss about support for functional programming. As we said, we can pass function or behavior as an argument to another method. So how we are going to pass that, we are going to discuss in this section. Okay, let's open our previous example. Let me delete all this. Now, so now my requirement is I want to filter out the employees only PM. If you see in my employee utils, how many PMs I have? It's project managers, 1, 2, 3. So I am getting a data as the list of employees. Out of this employee list, I want to filter only PMs, who is the project managers. So prior to Java 1.8, how we are going to do? So we are going to write a new method. Just let me write private list employee filter PM. So to the filter PM, we are going to pass our actual employee list, and to this PM list, just initialize PM list with an empty array list, and as and when you return, just return PM list. Okay, so it is asking to import java.util. So let's import. So now, so we are going to write a filter PM method where we are going to pass actual employee list, and we are going to filter only project managers from this employee list. So how we are going to do that? So first, what we are going to do, we are going to create our employee list, employee employee list. If at all employee dot, let's say project manager, right? Project manager, what is the name? So we should give exact name, otherwise we won't get proper output. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste np dot np dot get name, right? So what I am going to do here, so I am iterating each and every employee, and I am checking the name of the employee, emp dot get name. If it all, if it is equal to project manager, then I am going to add that employee to this PM list employee. Correct? Why? Because the PM list is the project manager list. So now, in order to do that, just we need to call, right? So let's call this filter PM and pass this employee list and make this PM list as, so since it is asking, right, since we did not make static, right, now the compatibility change this after PM sorry pass PM. So this is not a name, this is designation, right? Yes, just let's run. Yes. So if you see, there are 3 employees, right? Project manager with 60,000, another project manager with 65,000, another project manager with 60,000. If you want to cross verify, just go to employee details. See, project manager 60,000, 65,000, 60,000. Okay, fine. Now we got the employees who are project managers. Now there is one more requirement for me where I need to find out all the employees whose salary is greater than 60,000. Okay, I need to find out an employees whose salary is greater than 60,000. Okay, for that what we are going to do? We are going to write one more method. Right. Okay, let me do copy paste instead of writing again and again. Okay, what is my method name? Filter huge employees, huge salary list. So I'm going to filter huge salary. So I'm passing employee list. So it is taking, let's say, huge list, huge salary list. Let's rename this huge list to huge salary. So here my salary was, what is my condition? Above greater than 60,000. So if at all my salary is greater than 60,000, so those employees should be added in huge salaries. It means that I want to filter out the employees whose salary is greater than 60,000. Fine. So let me comment out this code. Now what I'm going to do, filter huge salary employee list, right? Now let me assign to list of employees huge salary list. Okay, now print that list after huge salary. Is it? See here, I think there is some change we require. His salary greater than 60,000. We have written around 60,000. Just run this. Yeah, if you see the youth salary, one is 65, 70, 90, 85, 98, and 65. So if you see here, employee utils, how many? 1, 2, 3, greater than 60, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to get 6 objects, right? So this is one object, this is second object, this is third object, fourth, fifth, sixth. Yeah. Now, if you observe in this program, if you see these two methods, right, except this particular line in the both the methods, the remaining code is almost same. Yes or no? So if at all, assume that in future they are asking you to sort an employee whose salary is greater than 65,000, then again you need to write one more filter method where we need to write, one more logic, even though the code is completely same except this condition. So in the next video we are going to discuss how to avoid these duplicate lines, right, except this condition check, the remaining all code is duplicate, right? So we need to remove these duplicates. So how we are going to do, we can see in your next video. Thank you for watching.